CardioSecur Active gives you information on your heart's function. All you need is the CardioSecur cable, 4 disposable wet gel electrodes, the CardioSecur Active app, and your mobile device. We will now show you how you can record your own clinical-grade ECG and how you can get an easily understandable interpretation of your reading. Using CardioSecur the first time, the system will ask you to take a so-called reference ECG. This is a baseline reading, which should only be taken once you don't have any symptoms. You can also take this reading together with your physician. Once you've saved your reference reading, you can take a control reading, for example when you experience symptoms, to get a feedback on your heart's function. These control readings will be compared with the reference ECG, and you will get information on critical ECG changes. This makes CardioSecur individual and personalized. Optionally, you can also set up your health profile in the database. Both the reference and the control reading are very similar, and we will now show you how to perform a reading by guiding you through a control reading. Step 1. Connect CardioSecur to your mobile device and start the CardioSecur app. It will guide you through the whole process. Step 2. Next, attach 4 disposable electrodes to the colored cable ends of the ECG cable. Step 3. Now you have to place the electrodes as indicated in the app. Remove the adhesive pads from the white electrode and place it on the upper end of the breastbone. It needs to be placed directly on the bony part that lies between your collarbones. After removing the adhesive pad, the yellow electrode is placed on the lower end of your breastbone, again right on the bony part. Once you've removed the adhesive pad from the red electrode is placed on the right side of the body. That is easy to remember. Both right and red start with an R. Please make sure that the red electrode is placed on the same line as the yellow one, centered below your armpit. The green electrode needs to be placed also on the same height as the yellow and red electrodes, but on the left side of the body. Once all electrodes are attached, the green and the yellow electrodes should be placed in one horizontal line on your chest. Step 4. You can initiate a reading as soon as all electrodes are placed correctly. Step 5. After a calibration phase, the device will automatically start a 10-second reading. You can see your actual heart rate in the middle of the circle. Please sit calmly while CardioSecur is taking the reading. After the reading is done, CardioSecur will instantly compare your actual reading to your baseline reading. As a result, it will give you a recommendation to act and show you that there are no ECG changes, white screen, minor irregularities, yellow screen, or even major irregularities, red screen. Scrolling down in the app, you can leave more details, for example on the symptoms that you experienced. In addition, your reading will be saved in the app and on your personal account on www.cardiosecur.com. Using the function My Physician in the app or on your personal account, you can allow your personal physician to access your ECG readings. This is how easy it is to use CardioSecur and to have instant clarity and certainty about your heart's health.